Differentiating between needs and wants is very important. In this lesson, we are going to explain the difference between needs and wants. Do you have a tablet? Is that a need or a want? Of course, it helps us in having more fun. But do we really need it to survive? Let's take a look at the items that we use every day and determine if they are a want or a need. Firstly, what are needs? Needs are what we require to survive, which we can't do without, such as food, clothes, and shelter. Can you think of some examples of needs? Water, rain, sun, trees, school uniforms, medicines, toothpaste, vegetables and fruits are some examples of needs. So what are wants? Wants are things that we would love to have but can do without. Wants make our life more enjoyable and comfortable, but are not necessarily required to live. So children, would some of these be your wants? Pizza, going for movies, a tub of popcorn, nachos, PlayStation, phone, etc. Here is Praveen, who is all happy and excited to get back to school after his summer holidays. Praveen asks his parents to get him a new fancy bag, new shoes, new branded cricket bat, bottle, pens, etc. But Praveen's mom tells him to first clear his room and make a list of the previous year's supplies available. Let's help Praveen list down the things he already has. Fancy bag, fancy bottle, lunchbox, coloring and painting set, stationery box. Praveen and his mother then make a list of his needs and wants. Needs: pens, pencil box, school shoes. Wants: new fancy bag, new fancy bottle, branded cricket bat. Praveen agrees with his mom that he does not need a new fancy bag or a new bottle. Have you all understood the difference between needs and wants? That's wonderful. However, sometimes one person's want may be another person's need. For example, Praveen's friend Kevin is on the school cricket team and hence needs a good quality branded cricket bat. But Praveen is an amateur player and can use his old, locally made bat. So a need here is a branded cricket bat for Kevin, but a new branded cricket bat for Praveen is a want. Can you tell which of these are needs and which of these are wants? Study table, school shoes, designer dress, electricity, branded jerseys, water bottle, LPG gas, vacation, music downloads, expensive phone. So the next time you buy something, ask yourself, do I need this item or do I just want it?